Okay, we're going to write the converse of this, and they're telling us that it is a true conditional, that it's true that if the probability that an event will occur is 0, then the event is impossible to occur. Fun fact about probabilities, it's always between 0 and 1, okay? A probability of 1 means definitely going to happen, and a probability of 0 is impossible to occur. And then all the other things are some kind of percentage or decimal or fractional amount of it. Okay, but I'm going to first I'm going to take the if and then take the conclusion of the next one. If, oops, and you'd really say if an event is impossible to occur. Okay, then thanks for your patience. Then the probability that the event will occur is 0. Yep. So decide whether it's true. If an event is impossible to occur, then the probability that an event will occur is 0. Yeah. Yep. That's what it means when it's impossible to occur. We say it's probability 0 when that happens. So I'm going to say that is true. And then it says write it as a true biconditional. Okay. And since I said it's true, then we don't have to come up with a counterexample. So I'm going to say the probability an event will occur is 0 if and only if sorry about that. If and only if the event is impossible to occur. Okay, that's a true biconditional. You take the hypothesis and conclusion and separate them with an if and only if.